better not go over my head.
Go on, swim.
I think I'm gonna go swim so that's better on me now.
No, just don't go out deep. You can swim right here.
I'm gonna take my head off first.
Alright.
And then I'm going.
All the way over there for it.
Oh. Thanks. I thought I was getting close.
You're pretty brave, Corey. Lynn owes you, big time.
Hey, Corey, look it! Corey!
Corey's busy.
I'm thinking you.
Whoa, I just fell.
Lynn, what's this? Corey, go back to see Grandpa for a minute, please.
Cage.
Oh, get out of my way, Corey. Go that way. What's this kid's name? Cage. Get out of my way. Go that way. There you go. Go. Go to Grandpa. Turn this way just a little bit, Lynn. Stay still. I've got your whole reflection in the water. Oh.
I can't, like...
Stand up straight. Tuck in your stomach. Pretend you're working. I'm falling. There you go. Okay, Corey. Or Cage.
Give it slack now, Celine. Give it slack.
You're going too deep.
Go.
Get in there.
Go.
You don't have your life jacket on. You can't go out that deep. Grandma said you could swim right here. That is really